Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the preview page. The preview page was set up so that you could share your work that you've developed with your clients for approval. It was also set up for QA to do testing. Think of it as an existing page that has the ads on it that you've built. So the way you start is if you go into any creative, as you can see here, there's the preview page now button. You can also find the preview page button on the summary page. When you go to the preview page, the first thing you're going to see are the formats that are in the creative. So if you've built out a fully fluid, you're going to see the fully fluid. If you've added single size formats, you'll see them in this list. So it has all of the formats that you've set up with the creative. If you've built out a fully fluid, the breakout view will be a little bit different than if you select the other formats. The breakout view will reflect the shapes and sizes that are in that specific format. Deployments are essentially if you set up any specific deployments on the summary page that might be click trackers or impression trackers or specific units for flights, you could actually select those and then actually check those click-throughs right here on this page. It's right now this view shows the actual creative, the main format used. This format was at the top of the list, and then the ID of that creative. It's now selected in current device, but if you actually go here and select any of these devices, here's desktop, and as you can see here, that's what it looks like on desktop, or tablet, or phone, portrait, or small phone, and then you can actually hit, and that will actually rotate it. There you can see, or you can go in and select from your devices. It is updated to iPhone 10, but we will be adding more. That comes every quarter. We update this list, and you could select either mobile, tablet, or desktop. So it's part of the screen visualization. If you want to share this with a client, you can go here and you can share it by format. If I've actually go here and select default, where I'm actually selecting a deployment, you can see here you could actually just share with a client just that deployment, and that will give you that link, as you can see. Now, if I go to the breakout view, because this was built fully fluid, you're going to see the overall breakout view as such. And then on the top here, you can see that you could actually select and see what that looks like. Even though you didn't add those single size formats, or their formats into the creative, you have the ability to see what it looks like across all the different sizes. So that's part of the breakout view for that. Now, if I want to show you, let me show you another creative that was actually built with Parallax. So if I go here, you could see here, this is a creative that was built as a Fluid 400 high creative, as you can see here. So let me refresh it. So as you can see here, there's a video. You could actually hit this play button here to refresh it. But on the right, as you can see here, we actually have an animation refresh, and then a parallax button, as well as you could actually see and change the backgrounds to different colors up here on the right. I'm going to hit the parallax, and as you can see, the parallax pushes the unit down so that you have the ability to scroll as it would look on the page. So you see here, you can click that parallax function and see what it looks on the page. Now if I go back up and hit the breakout view, it's going to take me into that breakout view, and you see this is still selected, and then show me what it looks like at all of the different breakpoints. One thing we are missing is the ability to control action, such as parallax and such, in those different views. You just get the initial layout for those different views. If you want to check out those different views, the best way to do it is go back to the responsive and actually grab and shrink down your screen. So by shrinking it down to a different width, you can actually see how that performs. So that's how the preview page works. And if you have any questions, let us know at support@responsiveads.com. Thank you very much.